guys, so I didn't realize that I wanted to film this until I was halfway in, so I will just show you guys the things that I used, and I will also write down in the description box the process. So in order, you can use any unsalted butter. I use this, and you can use this if you have access to it. If you're in Rwanda, I know you will have access to this easily, but in some stores here in America, like a lot of African stores also carry it, so it will be better if you find this and use that. I use sugar cane, it's better, and I have used also brown sugar in the past and it also works. So I mix those together first, and after that I put some eggs. You can use any eggs of your choice. I just prefer using organic eggs. So you can use any all-purpose flour. This is the one that I use. So add like half of the portion of what you are going to make in there and mix it. And after that, add your baking powder. I used a little bit of baking powder in there, and I also used yeast. I also add a little bit in there, so I added both, mix it up. So after that I added some milk, and I don't drink regular milk, so I use this one that has vanilla and coconut milk in it, and it makes it taste really good and it smells really good, trust me. You can use this. Some people don't use any milk at all, so that would be an option too, but this will make your beignet or mandazi smells really good and tastes really good too. Another thing I didn't have in hand to use was vanilla extract. You can use that too, or you can use the lemon kind if you also prefer. Those are also options. This is all that you need for your mixed. And as far as frying, you need oil. You can use canola oil or olive oil, but olive oil is expensive, so you can use this blend if you prefer. And yeah, that's about it. Everything else, every other process will be in the video. So
that's so fluffy. Oh.
cool down a little bit.